guys, welcome back to Books with Mrs. Bree. Today I am reading Jalen Makes a Friend. Jalen goes to preschool. He loves school. He loves his teacher and classmates, especially his friends Thomas and Aiden. Good morning, Jalen, calls his teacher, Miss Natalie. Jalen smiles and puts his backpack in his cubby. But on his way to his favorite activity station, the building table, Jalen stops. Something is different. A new boy plays at the building table. He is about Jalen's age, but he sits in a wheelchair. What is wrong with him? Wonders Jalen. Jalen turns to join Ada and Thomas at the puzzle table. Jalen, calls Miss Natalie, waving. I want to introduce you to our new classmate, Patrick. Patrick loves bricks just like you. Perhaps the two of you could build together. Jalen doesn't want to build with Patrick. He doesn't know Patrick. And then there's the wheelchair. Still, he follows Miss Natalie to the building table. Patrick, I'd like you to meet Jalen, she says. He likes bricks too. He's building the International Space Station. Is it okay if Jalen joins you? Sure, says Patrick. Jalen sits silently watching Patrick work with the bricks. Do you want to build the shuttle? Asks Patrick. He shows Jalen just what to do. We can work on the service module next. That's where the crew lives. Then the dock and lab. Hey, Jalen, did you know the space station is as long as a football field? Patrick asked. No, replied Jalen. How do you know so much about the space station? I just like it, I guess, replies Patrick. Hey, thanks for building with me, Jalen. You're welcome, says Jalen. I like building too. Patrick is nice and smart too. Jalen didn't need to be afraid of him because of the chair. Hey, Patrick, he asked, want to meet Aiden and Thomas? Jalen calls his friends to come. This is my friend Patrick, says Jalen. We're building the International Space Station. Patrick knows everything about the space station. Want to help? And they do. Something is different at preschool, but it's good. Jaden, Aiden, and Thomas all have a new friend, and Patrick has 3. The end. I hope you guys enjoyed this story. And I have a little secret. I have a son named Jalen. It's not the Jalen in this book, but he goes to school too. You guys come back for another story tomorrow. Bye.